Welcome to another episode of eThekwini Matters podcast. I'm your host, Simpiwe Lamini. Durban is ready to host thousands of holidaymakers who will be flocking to our city to spend Easter holidays with their families and loved ones. As the city prepares for one of its busiest periods on its calendar, the safety of residents, visitors, and worshippers remains our top priority. Today on the podcast, we are joined by the Metropolis Commissioner, Mr. Sibonelo Mkunu, who will unpack the city's state of readiness to host our visitors during this busy period. Matimane, welcome to the podcast.
Yes. The main is here, Bingerela, and thank you very much for hosting us, this Metropolis.
Yes. Mhlawumbe ke siqale nje Macingwane. Isikhathi lesi sephasika siyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bavamise ukuthutheleka eThekwini ngalesikhathi. Ngabe nina as uMetropolis senikulungele kangakanani qinisekisa ukuthi ama-visitors ethu noma sithi ihambele zethu ziphephile ngalesikhathi?
I know Simpiwe ziphephile. I can tell you which is ziphephile. Sinalento esiyenzayo siyu-Metropolis esiyibiza nge-annual plan esiyenza ekuqaleni kwenyanga i-financial year lapho si-accommodate iy'khathi ey'njengalezi. Siyazi ukuthi sinoma Easter and ama-Easter siyazi ukuthi siye sispende more or less imali engakanani bese siyayicela leyo mali siyifake kwi-annual plan sibeke amaphoyisa abe ready. Sinama-region awu-5 eThekwini, onke ama-region anama-operational plans awo ngoba uyoba le period leyo i-affect ama-regions ngey'ndlela ey'hlukene. I-North, ne-South, ne-West affecteka different from i-Inner West ne-Central because iy'ndawo la osuke bephuma khona abantu noma bengena khona abantu. So i-operational plan yalama-region awu-3 ama-entrance to the city iyahluka kunalawa ama-host regions okuyi-Inner West ne-Central. So bawadevelopile ngawabuka ngawa-inspector ngawabona ukuthi a-ready akhophisa ukuthi sokwazi ukumukela ivakashi zethu kulo nyaka njengoba sihlale sikwenza eminyakeni eminingi.
So then that means that there will be police visibility in all these regions, not only within the CBD. Like people will normally assume that we normally make sure that police are only visible in the CBD where you find most of our visitors or most of the tourists.
Yes, there will be visibility throughout the municipality with its 5 regions, and you will have the additional 6th ORS region that will augment any region that may be failing. So I think visibility is the key, and to make sure that we prevent a crime prevention, we prevent accidents, and we prevent lawlessness and the violation from bylaws and so forth and so forth. So we are ready to do that.
Talking about the violation of bylaws, can you just give us some of the examples that, or some of the bylaws that people usually contravene during this period so that people don't do that?
Yes, ama-bylaws bavama ukuthi ngesikhathi semabhiza njengalawo abe i-frustration of the city, littering, nuisance bylaws caused by ama-entertainment events, and makunama-gig la khona kube nama-bylaws of disturbance that happens between individuals. Bese kuba nama-regular bylaws are result into dumping of waste and is dangerous where people come in before amabus and all of that, totally they were not catered for ukuthi what would be the removal of their waste bese befele benza noma kanjani. So we are vigilant to gather danger and we will be fining heavily to those that we capture. And isipho sesinaso manje is visibility that is not only reliant on individual poppies on the beat. Sekukhona ne-camera system esimonithayo, which means siyakwazi ukubona ama-offenders commit i-violation without iphoyisa being there. ibonwe yiphoyisa elis-monitayo kwi-command center bese li-informa the bobbies on the ground to respond to that. So umuntu angayitsheli ukuthi hayi angawabona amaphoyisa sengenza noma kanjani. Khona amanye amehlo acashile ababukayo abantu bagadile ukuthi eThekwini safe.
I want us to zoom in on the issue of drinking and driving. I know that the provincial department is coming very hard on people who are drinking and driving. Is Metropolis also going to be zooming in on such culprits as well during this period?
Yeah, we're zooming in. It's just that we haven't been talking too much about it, but I think most of them are arrested in the city of Ethekwini and Metropolis more than any other law enforcement. Although joint operations is what we normally do, but if we go down to the numbers, arresting in the city center or within the metropolis boundaries, metropolis, which means we are also heavily coming down on drinking and driving. Those are the main things as Sibangela ingozi, drinking and driving, ube fatigue. Fatigue is the most dangerous one because it's difficult to prevent. You are unable unless you just conscientize about. It's an individual decision to feel fatigue and then decide whether he's going to get into a vehicle or not. And in most cases, Ibanama deadly accident more than any other causes of accident on the road.
Now, I guess back in the traffic now. Yoba sisho ukuthi amabhizinisi amaningi azobefika eThekwini. That will mean there's going to be a lot of traffic. In terms of traffic management, are you ready for that?
Yes, we are ready. Our main routes in and out and within the city of Durban will have our highway patrol, we'll have our freeway patrols, and we will have our road blocks, stop and searches. So there will be all those happening all at the same time, but in different places.
Yama roadblocks. I know some people, they would normally say when they see roadblocks, this is normally a comment abantu abahlezi beyenza bethi eThekwini nenqoba yama roadblocks niqosha ama visitors. Awusichazele ngokubaluleka kwalama roadblocks lapha.
Yeah, ngizwe leyo nto fana neindawo ukujabula ama-restaurants athile la esike saba nenkinga nawo ethi uma senza i-law enforcement around their precinct sixosha ibhizinesi sixosha ama-locals. Awukwazi ukuthi uyi-tourist, ayikho neyo tourist sengake ngayizwa mina imibono iphoyisa ibona ukuthi ayibaleke. Isigebengu kuphela. Umuntu ophethe isibhamu esingekho emthethweni, umuntu ophethe idakamizwa, umuntu ophethe zonke lezi zinto engafuneki ongafisi ukuthi iphoyisa libe around yena. So uma urana i-entertainment area and ungawafuni amaphoyisa, is an indication to us ukuthi khona into eyenzekalayo kuleyo entertainment area yakho. Kodwa uma yonke into above board in your area of entertainment, you will welcome ama-patrols azokwenza sure ukuthi aya-enforce i-compliance and i-bylaw compliance.
Sabonga Macingane. Mhlambe nje enye into ipoint abantu mhlambe bazothi ayisikuyelana singadeal now issue of abantu laba aba-homeless. We see them around the city. Maybe what is your plan to make sure ukuthi we don't find abantu abakanjalo endaweni la mhlambe seyidisturba khona ukuhlala nokuphila kwabantu?
Dlamini ngihlale ngisho-ke lento edolobheni and sometimes umuntu uze abe unpopular ngokusho lento because when sometimes you tell the truth and liba alibi nice, alehli kahle. If you're homeless, imagine yourself that as we say tomorrow you are homeless, mhlambi uyofusa ukudilwa amaphoyisa? No. If you're homelessness is not a problem of law enforcement. It's a societal problem, multifaceted. Ama-drug addictions, labo bantu badinga health ne-social development. Kube abantu abaqhamuka from far away abafuna i-accommodate, abafuna ukufuna imisebenzi in the city. Labo bantu badinga ama-shelters. Kube i-issue ye-food security, abantu ababulawa indlala ey'ndaweni abahlala kuzona bese beza edolobheni ukuzocosha abangase bacoshe bafake emntwini. Labo bantu must be taken care by social development. Kube abantu who are out there because of broken families, because of domestic issues, domestic violence, GBV and so forth and so forth. Labo bantu angeke bese uyabathatha uyoba-incarcerate uyobafaka emajele just because awufuni ukubabona. Uma uzoba a-country that does not want to deal with its realities, uzogcina usufana nenye country engingeke ngiyibize for international relations purposes where people were suffering and starving. I-response yabo was ukuletha amaphoyisa azobashaya, abashayela ukuthi let them sit, starve to death. We can't have that situation. Abantu must be treated on what is their problem. Thina abantu aba-homeless, uma bebamba inkunzi, we will deal with them. Uma bevala umgwaqo, we will remove them from the road. If benza anything, we will deal with that in terms of our laws. But we can't wish them away, and we can't take them to prison or to any cell just for being poor and for being homeless or for being a drug addict. We will stop our measures to feed them with drugs, with obviously the limitations that we have as a metropolis, trusting that other agencies will come, law enforcement agencies will come on board to assist us with regards to that. But we can't hope or suggest a problem yama homeless is a metropolis problem. I was so shocked when I saw one of our daily newspaper iba ne-headline ukuthi Metropolis has admitted ukuthi aba-homeless asebehlulile. Kufuna sikwenze njani? Sibakinge sibabulale laba bantu. They are citizens of this country. Banama-challenges, ama-societal challenges abafeyise wona. Unama-departments, provincially and national, that are responsible for those challenges. So we can't bahlukumeze or treat badly just because ba disadvantage. The departments that are supposed to deal with those disadvantages must come on board and deal with them.
Kodwa I think ngikuthandile lamathingwane ukuthi uyakubalula ukuthi as much as ni understand inkinga yabo babhekene nayo, kodwa when it comes to ama-criminal elements, Metropolis uya-acta lapho.
How you act? Siya-acta nje. The biggest challenge abanayo abantu aba-homeless, of these groups of homeless people, which are now amounting in the entire municipality to 16,000, is Metropolis. We are the department that is in the sharp end of the stick, and we sometimes find ourselves alone there. Because what we say, Tina, is that as Metropolis, we must come and deal with criminal elements in this sort of a society, because it's a society now. DSW must come and take the space. Social development must come and take people to relevant institutions. Health must come and deal with the sick and the ill. So Home Affairs must come and deal with the foreign nationals who are undocumented, who are not supposed to be in the country. We will deal with crime. We will deal with bylaw violations. We will deal with the unwanted road blockages. But everyone must come on board. Newspapers must not make this, or media in general must not make this one department problem, Metropolis department.
Yeah. Umuntu osegolide ngamanje, someone from Cape Town planning to come down for this Easter period, what do you say again?
I will tell people that there's a grand term which they was a Durban. In all respect, you get your entertainment, you get your hospitality, We've got food hotels up to the great standards, ranked internationally. We've got a promenade which we are making sure it's safe as Metropolis together with law enforcement. We've just launched a coastal policing unit, and it is we thank the PEWG as well as tourism for assisting us. Is going to make sure that all our entertainment areas along the coast are safer than even last year because of the resources they've put in. We've got enough members to deal with this event. We've got enough budget. We've secured enough budget to go up until the period is over. So we've got enthusiastic police officers, young and able, who are willing to work long hours for the benefit of making sure that the city is safe. So I can tell them they must come. I've just seen recently posts of people who are tourists, and they were telling a story that how happy and feeling safe they were this year as compared to 2 years ago. So we are improving year in, year out.
Macimane, sasiphetha nje mhlawumbe amazwi akho okugcina.
I'll say, Lamini, Metropolis is developing. Metropolis is taking municipal policing to another level. Very soon we're going to be rolling out smart policing, which is going to ensure there is no area and place where we cannot dispatch instantly. Our sister departments in the city are about to launch an app that is going to have a panic button. That app, when it's linked to our command center, we will even utilize it to say people out there, because people are harassed by gangs in some of our townships, your west, your whatever, but they are reluctant to report in those instances to police stations for fear of officers recklessly divulging their identities, and then there are revenge attacks. Now that we're going to have this kind of an app where the identity of the reporter, if a person is wielding a gun in a township thinking he is not being seen by law enforcement, all what citizen will be able to send a message through an app, and then we will respond. We've got vehicles, armored vehicles, that are going to go to any place without the fear of being shot back at. Isigebengu sodubula ziphela indlavu, then arrest without having to shoot back and kill that suspect. So it's has of that's all I can tell you.
Nakho-ke usukuze wonke-ke iy'nhlelo uMetropolis onazo kulesikhathi sephasika kade sikhuluma naye la umnumzane uSibonelo Mkhunu okuyena commissioner waMetropolis. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi usilandele uphinde ushare futhi kwi-channel yethu yakhona la ku-eThekwini Matters. Macimane, siyabonga.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.